After a collision, this Mercedes 48-volt battery went into lockout. Does the complete battery really have to be replaced? This is a Mercedes-Benz C260L W206 chassis. The airbags deployed, the 48-volt system stopped working, and the cluster displayed a 48-volt system fault. Diagnostics also showed unmet operating conditions and a locked internal actuator. The original battery was repaired instead of replacing the complete assembly. Before removal, disconnect the 12-volt battery in the trunk. The 48-volt battery is mounted at the rear right of the engine compartment, in front of the passenger side. Its external connections include the 48-volt positive and negative outputs, the 12-volt outputs from the integrated DC-DC converter, the battery communication connector, and the DC-DC communication connector. After removing the battery, take off the DC-DC converter from the top. Remove the 4 bolts and separate it from the battery body. Inside are 12 cells. Check each cell voltage and the voltage difference between them. If one cell is low, balance it manually first. I covered the cell specifications in an earlier short video. Next comes the main repair point, the BMS, or Battery Management Control Unit. The data is stored in an Infineon TC277 TP64 microcontroller with the F200SCA suffix. Programming uses a 6-wire DAP connection, with the exact points marked on screen. Connect the wires and confirm that the chip is detected. Open Infineon MEMTool, select the matching TC277C step target, connect to the chip, and choose the memory area. 3 areas must be written, Flash 0, Flash 1, and EEPROM. The files must match the battery and hardware version. If you need battery data, wiring diagrams, programming methods, or repair solutions, contact me through the channel page. Load the matching files and write the 3 areas in sequence with stable power. Then reassemble the BMS, the cells, and the DC-DC converter, and reinstall the battery. After a collision, the pyrophyses also have to be replaced. The standard repair is to replace the complete module, but the damaged pyrofuse can be replaced separately to reduce the cost. The pyrofuse under the front passenger footwell must be replaced. The pyrofuse on the other side, which supplies terminal 30C, must also be replaced. If you need individual pyrophyses, contact me through the channel page. Finally, use DTS Monaco version 9.02 to connect to the 48-volt battery control unit and complete programming and initialization. This is required for a new battery and also after repairing the original battery. After programming, clear the faults and check the 48-volt system. The vehicle now powers up normally, the system works correctly, and the fault is gone. That is it. If this video was helpful, subscribe and share.